But there is 7 more valve covers that I had to get rid of due to space constrictions, and 1 more intake manifold, 3 ignition coils, 148 intake valves, 148 exhaust valves. I don't even know how many valve keepers and retainers, springs. I got 4 cams. There's 2 that aren't here. I couldn't get everything together, but I just wanted to lay out as much as I possibly could. 3 brand new set of stock injectors for the Cruze. And there's 2 more. This drives me nuts on Cruze Talk and like the forum pages and all, but I just wanted to I guess I can't really say clarify something, because it could be multiple different causes, but the message you get for the service Stabiltrak and traction control, I know most oftentimes it's the negative battery cable, and numerous people have had it be that, but I was just reading some of the comments and the forum posts and all, and someone said on there that oftentimes it'll happen when they're shifting, or when the car downshifts, when they stomp the pedal, go to like 5,000 RPMs, and then snap it closed real quick, and it upshifts and they come to a coast. And I just wanted to show you guys something you can do real quick. Both of these are gutted. They're the coordinated PCV hoses. This was a failed attempt at making a nice looking one. A little feed for the stock turbo. Brand new connecting rod. But anyways, sorry, I'm getting off track. Pretty much just a quick test you can do, and this will also cause the service Stabiltrak and traction control message on the dashboard. Don't ask me why, I have no idea, but as you can see, I've had the car apart more than it's been together, and tried fixing, or pretty much just coming up with a solution so all this stuff would stop happening. I wouldn't have to keep replacing parts like this, but it didn't really turn out too well until now, of course. But in this corrugated PCV hose, that's the end that goes to the intake manifold right there. And then, oh look, where'd it go? No, this is the one I got it, but this will be on that end. And it looks a little weird because I ripped the clip off of it, but inside of this, there's like a little ball check valve, and it's pretty sensitive, I guess. So if you're having any of the issues with service Stabiltrak or traction control lights coming on, and you're not really sure what it is, you're leaning towards the negative battery cable, before you do anything, just go out to the Cruze, take the hose off this end out of the intake, put your mouth on it and blow into it. You shouldn't be able to blow, and most people are going to do that and say, oh well, I knew it wasn't that, it's fine, because you're not going to be able to blow into it regardless. Then go start it with this off, the hose out of the intake, like the mouth to the intake, start it, and once it like it does its startup where it idles high and then it comes back down to like a constant RPM, take the palm of your hand and cover it, and there shouldn't be suction. I don't know why it isn't really accurate blowing into it, but I've had a few people that I was messaging back and forth with on Facebook over the course of the past like 4 to 6 weeks, and all of them had this issue. Not for the service Stabiltrak or traction control, but it was a vacuum leak and they were having other issues. But that's the easiest thing we can do to check. And I pretty much told them to do it. They sent me a video of them doing it and said, I don't think this is supposed to be like this. And I said, well, that's your problem. I think it's like this hose is like $37 from like a GM dealer. But it gets like gummed up in this end real easy, and it, like if you hit a hard bump, it can like nudge the ball loose. The valve in there that's supposed to stay closed, it can like jerk it loose, and it can throw that message for a little, and then you'll get home, you shut the car off, and you start it the next morning, and that message isn't there, and you're like, oh well, you know, nothing comes of it. Until down the road when it starts happening more often, and then it starts affecting your entire PCV system, and then before you know it, you got a blown engine. But yeah, just wanted to give a little piece of advice and show my collection. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. Do whatever you gotta do.